Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linux Pro, and this is Lab 8.5.10, and we are going to create a swap area. So you recently upgraded your computer and added an extra 512 megabytes of RAM. Consequently, you want to increase your swap space by adding a new swap area. The second hard disk has an unused partition that you want to format for the swap area. So complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to create a swap partition on /dev/sdb2 and also activate the swap partition. All right, so I guess that is all we need to do. Let's go ahead and start lab. All right, so we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you need any detailed video guidance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab, you may want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get one-on-one video guidance on how to solve any of the lab. Okay, so we'll wait for this lab to load. All right, so this lab has loaded successfully. We'll go ahead and open terminal. All right, inside the terminal, let's see, we are going to type in mks swap /dev /sdb2, and then we press enter, and then we type in swap on space /dev/sdb2, then we press enter again, and we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Also consider joining my professional membership for detailed video guidance. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.